Hi everyone, welcome back to my Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps on how to unlock events in Subway Surfers. So without any further ado, let's get started. In Subway Surfers, the event section becomes available after you complete the initial tutorial and a few runs. Once unlocked, you can access it by tapping on the events icon at the home screen. This section features various limited time events such as season hunts, tag team, and daily challenges, each offering unique rewards like characters, hoverboards, and keys. New events typically start on Wednesday, so be sure to check back regularly to participate and earn exclusive prizes. Tap on any live event. After that, hit the button to start participating. Some may require collecting tokens or reaching set goals to earn rewards. If you don't have the current events, try to update Subway Surfers. And that's how you can unlock events in Subway Surfers.